Good evening, I am Carlos Toledo, taking up Mathematics in the Modern World course this first year. 2024-2025 at the University of Santo Tomas, I hope to get some insights from you about the presence and applicability of mathematics in your current scenario. May you kindly introduce your name, current work, and the number of years you are doing your present work.
Hi, I am Nadine Toledo. I work at Fellowship of the Least Coin as an administrative and office assistant. I'm doing this job for about 10 years now.
Okay. Do you use mathematics in your work? In what way?
Yes, I do use mathematics every day in my work. Through my inventory, my bookkeeping, and my sales.
Are there specific symbols, codes, or signs that you use? How are these used?
Yes, I use mathematical symbols like addition, subtraction, unit, multiplication. In addition, by counting the number of products that we have, and by my inventory and sales. Also in subtraction, when I give change to my clients. Also, I use unit by weighing the products that I have before I deliver it to our clients.
Could you cite a specific process that makes use of these symbols?
One example is when a customer buys several items with us, I count them and I add the prices and subtract it when I give the change for the items.
How do you find these symbols, codes, or signs in solving problem and reasoning?
Well, these symbols makes my life easier because they help me think faster and accurate in my work.
Why is mathematics important in your job?
Well, mathematics is very important in my job because it ensures accuracy, especially when I'm doing our inventory and our sales total at the end of the month. It also helps me stay organized and trustworthy in my work.
Okay, okay. Is that all?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Have a great night.